Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious ice cream using milk with an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are well chilled. This simple technique doesn't require an ice cream maker, just your freezer and a little patience. Now, let's prepare the base. In your chilled large bowl, combine 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. Gradually whisk in half a cup of granulated sugar until it is completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to give your ice cream that classic, delightful flavor. Next, pour your mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container, ensuring it's about 1 inch deep. Place it in the freezer for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove it and stir vigorously with a fork or whisk to break up any ice crystals. Repeat this stirring process every 30 to 45 minutes for approximately 3 hours. This prevents large ice crystals and ensures a wonderfully creamy texture. Your homemade ice cream is almost ready. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. You can enjoy it plain or get creative with toppings like fresh berries, chocolate sauce, or sprinkles. For different flavors, try adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or a 1/4 cup of fruit puree to the base mixture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.